Rule 35. Sound signals in restricted visibility. In or near an area of restricted visibility, whether by day or night, the signals prescribed in this rule shall be used as follows. A power-driven vessel making way through the water shall sound an interval of not more than 2 minutes, one prolonged blast. A power-driven vessel underway but stopped and making no way through the water shall sound at intervals of not more than 2 minutes, two prolonged blasts in succession with an interval of about 2 seconds between them. A vessel not under command, a vessel restricted in her ability to maneuver, a vessel constrained by her draught, a sailing vessel, a vessel engaged in fishing, and a vessel engaged in towing or pushing other vessel shall, instead of the signals prescribed in paragraph A or B of this rule, sound of intervals of not more than 2 minutes, 3 blasts in succession, namely 1 prolonged followed by 2 short blasts. A vessel engaged in fishing when at anchor, and a vessel restricted in her ability to maneuver when carrying out her work at anchor shall, instead of the signal prescribed in paragraph G of this rule, sound the signal prescribed in paragraph C of this rule. A vessel towed, if more than one vessel is towed, the last vessel of the tow, if manned, shall at intervals of not more than 2 minutes sound 4 blasts in succession, namely 1 prolonged followed by 3 short blasts. When practicable, the signal shall be made immediately after the signal made by the towing vessel. When a pushing vessel and a vessel being pushed ahead are regularly connected in a composite unit, these shall be regarded as a power-driven vessel and shall give the signals prescribed in paragraph A or B of this rule. A vessel at anchor shall, at intervals of not more than 1 minute, ring the bell rapidly for about 5 seconds. In a vessel of 100 meters or more in length, the bell shall be sounded in the forepart of the vessel, and immediately after the ringing of the bell, the gong shall be sounded rapidly for about 5 seconds in the after part of the vessel. A vessel at anchor may in addition sound 3 blasts in succession, namely 1 short, 1 prolonged, and 1 short blast, to give warning of her position and of the possibility of collision to an approaching vessel. A vessel aground shall give the bell signal, and if required the gong signal prescribed in paragraph G of this rule, and shall in addition give 3 separate and distinct strokes on the bell, immediately before and after the rapid ringing of the bell. A vessel aground may in addition sound an appropriate whistle signal. vessel of 12 meters or more but less than 20 meters in length shall not be obliged to give the bell signals prescribed in paragraph G and H of this rule. However, if she does not, she shall make some other efficient sound signals and intervals of not more than 2 minutes. A vessel of less than 12 meters in length shall be obliged to give the above mentioned signals, but if she does not, she shall make shall make some other efficient sound signal at intervals of not more than 2 minutes. A pilot vessel when engaged on pilotage duty may, in addition to the signals prescribed in paragraphs A, B, or G of this rule, sound an identity signal consisting of 4 short blasts.